see. Lord, I think that the devil might be after me. I don't wanna waste my integrity. I'm just a man living a one-night stand. I'll tell you what I need. Oh, Black Creek, take me to that place and wash my sins away. Oh, Black Creek, take me to that place and wash my sins away. Just a little taste, that's all I need. Fruit for harvest and a wicked garden for a forbidden tree. A simple scheme for judging fate. Simple as it may be, it's more than I can take. Oh, Black Creek, take me to that place. Wash my sins away. Oh, Black Creek, take me to that place. Wash my sins away. Tapping and nothing to lose, I'm lost, but I don't wanna be found. And for me could be coming real soon. I'd like a glass of tea mixed with a sassafras root and a breath of high ground. Oh, Black Creek, take me to that place. Wash my sins away. Oh, Black Creek, take me to that place. Wash my sins away. Won't you wash my sins away?
Been down the roads that don't come back. Lost myself in all that black. Wore a smile I didn't mean. Buried truth so it couldn't be seen. I drank too much, I ran too fast. Chased a future built to crash. But through the smoke and all that pain, I kept on walking through the rain. I've loved and I've lost, I begged and I prayed, screamed at the sky, threw it all in space. But even when I turned away, mercy found me in the rain. Now I hear you whisper clear, in every scar and every tear. My pain had a reason, it led me somehow to this version of me, standing here now. I've done things I don't talk about. Spent years trying to drown them out. Woke up broke on bathroom floors, just to fall again through different doors. But grace don't need a perfect soul, just a heart that's not too cold. And when I thought I'd lost it all, that's when I heard the angels call. I've loved and I've lost, I begged and I prayed, slammed that bottle down and cursed his name. But somehow mercy always stayed, through broken nights and empty days. Now I hear you whisper clear, and every mile and every year my my pain had a reason. It brought me around to this version of me, standing here now. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying. Ain't a saint, but I ain't lying. I made peace with who I was, and I ain't ashamed because, yeah, I've loved and I've lost. I begged and I prayed, walked through hell and I still got faith. Cause somehow mercy always came. Broken songs and pouring rain. Now I hear you whisper clear. Hear my pain had a reason, and I see it now in this version of me, standing here proud.
Na Canastra.
I don't recommend that you adore me. If you do, don't say I didn't warn you. Trust me, I know how to start a fire from a flame. Oh, I always leave before the curtain, it's a floorboard. When I hear you talking like you know me, you don't know me, you don't know me. Wish that I could not go crazy. Wish that I could make you hate me. Maybe I should change my name and run, so I don't have to hold on. Maybe you and I would make it. It ain't the kind of risk I'm taking. Maybe I should change my name and run, 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 so I don't have to hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm only human and I get a little lonely, but I don't wanna hit you while I'm falling. While I'm falling, while I'm falling. Wish that I could not go crazy. Wish that I could make you hate me. Maybe I should change my name and run, so I don't have to hold on. Maybe you and I would make it. Ain't the kind of risk I'm taking. Maybe I should change my name and run, 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 so I don't have to hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I wish that I could not go crazy. I wish that I could make you hate me. Maybe I should change my name and run, so I don't have to hold on. Maybe you and I would make it. It ain't the kind of risk I'm taking. Maybe I should change my name and run.